Good morning, this is Airpulse Creations 2021. This is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, September the 16th, and I will read for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer. And this reading is for Gemini. Welcome, Gemini. I'm using 6 card decks, and the reading starts with the Good Tarot. 2 cards of that deck. Card number 1 is the 3 of Air. It is about the silver lining, the natural departures, and the message that rejection is God's protection. See this? A third party helps me to see the truth of this situation. What is truly mine will never be withheld from me. Rejection is the spirit's protection. It is in my best interest to let go and allow for something better to take its place. It is in my highest good to see the truth regardless of my temporary discomfort. This too shall pass. Card number 2 is the 10 of Fire. It's about burning away and releasing the excess endings to clear the way for beginnings. Say this: I may be overcommitted and have taken on too many burdens. In this moment, I do the work of decluttering my life. All that I release will take new form and serve the greater whole. But I no longer need to hold on to it simply because it once seemed to have some value for me. I thank it for what it did for me, but I say goodbye to the emotions, relationships, and situations that I realize do not belong in my life anymore. The Psychic Tarot card that came out is Material Harvest. One of the laws of the universe is what you sow, you will reap. So this card states that this is your time to reap the harvest that you have worked for and so rightly deserve. This last physical card denotes self-mastery, self-sufficiency, independence, security, and the art of enjoying what you have strived for. You have done the hard work, you have learned the lessons along the way, and you use them to prosper in all areas of your life. So the number 9 assigned to the card means some endings, not that good fortune necessarily stops for you, but telling you to honor yourself as you finish up or celebrate the completion of projects. This would be the perfect time to look ahead and use the wisdom that you have gained to think about what else you want to achieve. So consider smart investments and ponder ideas that show profitable potential. Congratulations on your success because you have earned them. The sacred forest card that came out is the pine spirit. Pines, they relate to purification. A soft layer of snow has shrouded the pines of this sacred forest, and you can sense the formidable life force surging through each tree, even in the deepest winter. And as you brush up against a branch, the snow is dislodged and softly falls to the forest floor. With simply the lightest touch of the pine needles, you can feel your entire energy field being purified. Your energy field is being cleansed of all that does not be needed anymore, is the message. Traditionally, the pine branches, they have been used in cleansing ceremonies because ancient people, they honored their purifying qualities. The essential oil of pine is antibacterial and antiseptic as well, which is useful for protecting people from harmful bacteria. So this card appearance is a message to release what does not serve, support, or empower you. So let go of anything that feels dull and murky in your life. Cleanse your body and your environment by doing cleaning, space clearing, and some clutter clearing. When your auric field is cluttered and energy is dingy, you cannot see the world clearly and you will have trouble hearing the messages from Spirit. The time has come to lighten up, eat and live lightly before a shiny, vibrant new cycle can begin. It is essential to let go of the old. The brilliance that pours through you can then shine throughout your life and also help many people. But first, the path has to be made clear. So the spirit of the pine says to you, let go of the old, discarded, and unused. Purify and cleanse and clear clutter your home, your body, and your life. And release whatever does not serve or support you. Take time for a total purification. You will feel brighter and also be a clearer channel for the light. The Priestess Light Oracle card for you is the Sacred Breath and Sound. It's about life force and communication. This priestess of the breath of life brings the light of the dolphin to you. This important totem has long been a symbol of the life force embodied in breath, movement, and in sound. So this card is telling you to bring the dolphin's easy flowing pattern to the breath of your life force at this time. Healing is available to you now on both the physical and the personal levels. Deep breathing can relieve stress, initiate and accelerate the healing, and raise the resonant vibration of your chi or your life force. So if there is a physical issue or a personal pattern you want to resolve, spend some time in deep breathing and meditation, and let yourself feel the fluid, peaceful influence in it might bring to your body and to your life. Another sacred energy heralded by this card is the resonance of sound. Dolphins, they have a special way of communicating by sending out clicks and responding to their reverberations. So the card is calling your attention to how you communicate with yourself and with others. The aqua blue colors on the card reinforce the importance of this message, vibrating with the energy of the fifth or the throat chakra. It is your soul's directive to honor your self-expression. If you find it difficult to speak up, then start by venting your difficult feelings in your journal. This healing process leads to a greater courage of expression in the future. It is time to share your feelings, to voice your requests, and to honor your right to speak out. Take a deep breath and practice communicating openly with others. The resonance of your breath and sound will soon move your life forward with the freedom, fluidity, and sparkling joy of the dolphin's magical energy. Say this affirmation: I breathe deeply and I express myself. My sound and my breath, they are sacred to me. The Sacred Creators Oracle card is integrate your knowing, saying that you are a spiritual being with animal instincts and the resources inside you to totally rock this life. Integrate all of your wisdom as you navigate your current situation. The fox has many traits that guide his joyful life. He is clever and cunning, aloof yet adorable, instinctual, wise and creative, and he calls upon all of these diverse aspects of self to calibrate his inner guidance system. He lives and moves as a whole being, and that is where his magic lies. Your wholeness will be more compelling than any one aspect of you. Your answer lies in adding your options together and in making something new out of them. There is no need to pick a single alternative, nor to focus on one tiny aspect of who you are. Your pure, integrated as essence radiates magic like nothing else does. It's time to infuse your book knowledge with your own innate wisdom. So meditate on your situation anew and refusing to fixate on past negative memories and choosing to focus on present possibilities. Spending time in quiet reflection will allow you to really hear what your whole heart advises. So meditate like a hermit and spend some introspective time with your inner sage. Are you happy with where you are headed? Are you living a life that feels so satisfying to you? Are you cutting off any important aspects of you that need to be integrated into your plan? The next card is, and the last card as well, is from the Bob Ross Oracle deck. It's the ocean. When painting sea landscapes or sea scenes, Bob would tell his viewers that there is depth to the ocean. And even though the ocean's horizon line should be straight across the canvas, it is in fact not flat and not one-dimensional. Closer to the shore, the waves they grow larger and display foam and water. So think about being at the ocean, or that churning, splashing ocean, Bob Ross said. There is a lot of power in here, tremendous amount of power. The ocean reminds us that there are untold depths to each person we encounter, and that we should look inward to find that depth inside ourselves and also in those we meet in life. That was the reading for you, Gemini. I thank you for listening, wishing you a joyous day today, wishing you a most successful whole week, sending out love to you. Take care and goodbye.